Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you a student? Feeling that familiar wave of, I just don't like it washing over you? Trust me, you are not alone. We've all been there. The struggle to stay motivated is real, but the good news is, it can be overcome. In this video, I'm going to share 8 powerful tips that I've used myself, and ones I've seen work wonders for countless students. These are actionable strategies that can help you regain that fire in your belly, and get you laser focused on smashing your goals. So grab your notebooks, maybe a cup of coffee or tea, no judgment here, and get ready to dive in. Because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to get motivated, but also how to stay motivated for the long haul. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the foundation of it all, your why. This is the most important step. When you understand your why, you tap into intrinsic motivation. Why are you studying? What are you hoping to achieve? Maybe you're dreaming of acing that exam or getting into your dream university. It could be securing a brighter future for yourself and loved ones. Your why is powerful. It's easy to lose sight of your why amidst the daily grind. Write it down somewhere, you'll see it every day. Maybe it's a sticky note on your laptop, a note on your mirror, or a quote on your phone's lock screen. The key is visibility. On those days when you're feeling overwhelmed, a quick glance at your why can be the boost you need. Now that you've got your why firmly planted in your mind, it's time to translate that vision into action. How? By setting clear, achievable goals. Think of it like a road trip. You need a destination. Without a roadmap, you'll feel lost and demotivated. Break vague goals into specific, measurable steps. For example, aim to improve your grade by 5%, or dedicate 1 hour every evening to study. Clear goals give you direction and make tasks manageable. Each small goal achieved boosts your motivation. Let's talk about routine. Now, I know some of you might recoil at the word routine, picturing rigid schedules and a complete lack of spontaneity, but trust me on this one. A well-structured routine is not about restricting you, it's about setting you free. Think of your study routine as a framework, a scaffold that supports your study efforts. It's about designing a daily or weekly schedule that incorporates dedicated study time, breaks, and yes, even leisure activities. The beauty of a routine is that it eliminates decision fatigue. When you have a plan, you don't waste mental energy debating whether to study now or later. You know exactly what needs to be done and when, which drastically reduces the likelihood of procrastination. But here's the crucial part. Your routine should be tailored to you. Experiment with different study times, environments, and methods to find what works best for your learning style and preferences. The key is to create a routine that feels sustainable and enjoyable, not one that feels like a chore. Let's be real, sometimes even with a solid routine, the sheer volume of work ahead of us can feel overwhelming. We've all been there, staring at a mountain of textbooks or a seemingly endless to-do list, feeling a wave of demotivation wash over us. This is where the power of chunking comes in. Instead of trying to tackle a massive project or an entire subject all at once, break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. For example, if you have to study 5 chapters for an upcoming exam, don't try to cram it all in one go. Instead, focus on 1 chapter per day. Or, if you have a big essay due, break it down into smaller tasks like research, outlining, drafting, and editing. Chunking works because it makes your tasks feel less intimidating and more achievable. It's all about taking those baby steps, one at a time. And as you complete each chunk, you gain momentum and a sense of accomplishment, which fuels your motivation to keep going. We're halfway through our list, and this next tip is all about celebrating your wins, no matter how small. That's right, it's time to talk about rewards. Think back to when you were a kid. Remember how exciting it was to get a gold star for completing your homework or a small treat for finishing your vegetables? Well, the same principle applies to our adult lives, especially when it comes to studying. After you accomplish a study goal, reward yourself. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant, but it should be something you genuinely enjoy. It could be as simple as taking a well-deserved break, watching an episode of your favorite show, indulging in a delicious snack, or spending some time doing something you love. Rewards are powerful because they tap into our brain's reward system, releasing those feel-good chemicals that make us crave more. By associating studying with positive reinforcement, you create a positive feedback loop that keeps you motivated and engaged in the long run. Let's talk about one of the biggest hurdles students face, self-doubt. It's easy to get bogged down by negative thoughts, especially when things get challenging. But here's the thing, your mindset is everything. One of the most powerful things you can do to stay motivated is to cultivate a positive inner dialogue. Instead of focusing on your shortcomings or past failures, remind yourself of your strengths, your accomplishments, and your ability to learn and grow. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Don't let a bad grade or a difficult subject define you. Every setback is an opportunity for learning and growth. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's motivational quotes, encouraging friends and family, or even uplifting music. Believe in your ability to succeed, because when you believe in yourself, you unleash a powerful force that propels you towards your goals. Let's face it, we live in a world saturated with distractions. From the constant pings of our phones to the allure of social media and streaming services, it can feel like a constant battle for our attention. But when it comes to studying, minimizing distractions is crucial. Find a quiet place to study where you can focus without interruptions. This might be your bedroom, a library, a quiet coffee shop, or even a dedicated study nook in your house. Once you've found your study sanctuary, it's time to tackle those digital distractions. Put your phone on silent mode, use website blockers to temporarily block distracting websites, and let your friends and family know that you're in study mode. If you find yourself struggling with focus, try the Pomodoro technique. This involves setting a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a short 5-minute break. This method can be incredibly effective for breaking down study sessions into manageable chunks and maintaining concentration. We've covered a lot of ground today, from setting clear goals to creating a distraction-free study environment, but let's not forget the importance of taking care of our most valuable asset, ourselves. Getting enough sleep is crucial for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. You'll be amazed at how much more focused and energized you feel when you're well rested. And don't underestimate the power of exercise. Even a short walk, a quick jog, or some stretching can do wonders for your physical and mental health. Exercise helps reduce stress, improve mood, and boost brain power. Remember, taking care of your physical and mental health is not a luxury. It's an investment in your academic success. And there you have it, 8 powerful tips to help you stay motivated as a student. Remember, motivation is not some magical quality that some people have and others don't. It's a skill, and like any skill, it can be cultivated and strengthened with practice. Focus on building those positive habits, creating a study routine that works for you, setting achievable goals, and don't forget to celebrate your wins along the way. I hope you found these tips helpful. Now I want to hear from you. What are you studying? What are your biggest study goals? Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay motivated. Until next time, keep pushing forward and believing in yourself.